Hi, I'm Rob Westover. In this video, we'll cover installation of our Squirter DTIs per AISC RCSC Section 8. Make sure you're installing the bolts the same way we did during PIV testing. That way you know the method works and gives the right results. Ensure the connection is snug tight. Now let's tighten to full tension. With a 7/8 A325 Squirter DTI, there are 5 bump locations around the washer. Each one should indicate orange media when the bolt reaches proper tension. So I'm going to tighten until I see orange from all 5 bumps. Here we go. All right, there it is. Orange media at all 5 spots. That's my signal to stop tightening. You can spot check using a 5 thou feeler gauge. Same one we used during PIV. We're looking for more than half the gaps to refuse the gauge. A refusal means the feeler gauge does not touch the bolt shank between the DTI bumps. Even if the gauge goes in slightly, if it doesn't make contact, it still counts as a refusal. So let's check. 1 refusal, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. That's more than half refusals, so the bolt is properly tensioned. If you don't have the correct amount of refusals at this step, then additional tightening is needed.